You can now use Quick Share on your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet to send and receive photos, videos, and files with capable Apple devices. To send a file from Galaxy to Apple with Quick Share, first open it and tap Share. We'll demonstrate with this photo from the gallery. Next, tap Quick Share. Send should be automatically selected at the bottom of the screen. Tap More Options, and then Settings. Now, in Quick Share settings, Share with Apple devices should be automatically enabled, but check to make sure. You're now ready to share, but some AirDrop settings on the Apple device could need to be adjusted to receive a file. Before you send a file, the Apple user needs to designate what kind of senders are eligible to send files via AirDrop. This can be done from the Apple device's control center. Confirm with the Apple user that Everyone for 10 minutes displays as an eligible sender. If it doesn't, they can press and hold the AirDrop icon and then select from the drop-down. When AirDrop is configured to receive the file, the Apple device name appears on your Galaxy. Tap on it. The Apple device user should now tap Accept on the prompt at the top of the screen to receive the file. It might take more than a minute to transfer. Not only can you send files from Galaxy to capable Apple devices, you can receive them as well. Apple users can use AirDrop to send files to Galaxy devices. To receive a file, make sure Receive in the Quick Share menu is selected. The Apple user can now open their file and send it via AirDrop. You'll receive a prompt on your phone indicating an Apple user is sending a file to the device. Tap Accept, and then Open. You can then edit with Galaxy AI, share, move to a secure folder, delete, and more. Use Quick Share for easy, seamless transfers, even with other brands.